I checked out from my hotel, Taiwo. So I am going to airport using this JR line at Shinomiya station. So this is going to Tennoji, and this is also loop line. So it's loop line trains. So now my train will come at 7:09. One train to airport, and another one is 7:12. So I will take 7:09 train, 19:09. So airport train is coming. So I have double checked with other people. So this is going to airport. So this is this line. So this is airport line. You can see on the board airport and Kanshuji rapid. So the rapid means it goes fast. This is the airport line. The airport line going to airport rapid service. That means fast line. So hopefully I reach by 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. My train is at 10:10, so I still have 2 hours to 10 minutes. 2 hours. Train reached airport. Cancel airport. So it almost took like 45-50 minutes. So this is the airport. There is a bridge on the sea, ocean. So it crossed that bridge. Now I have 2 hours time, so I am good. See the trains, Shinosaka, Kyoto. So everywhere trains are available from airport. So no need to worry. Welcome to Kansai. So my flight is from Terminal 1. So I didn't book the windows. I have seat. So, but I have pre-booked meals, Asian vegetarian meals, because in last 2-3 flights I was not having meals. They said I have to pre-book, so I have booked. My flight is from Terminal 1, so I have to go left. Right side is Terminal 2. So this is the thing. So I have to go left. So Bon Voyage JR from JR Railways. They are saying goodbye. And you can see Kansai photo picture. So you can see castle and buildings, typical buildings of Osaka. I have to put my Suka pass last time in this trip and exit the gates. This is my Suka pass. I am entering. Yeah, no problem. So I have 1060. So balance is only 22. So nothing left on Suka. So I am fine. So 1050 has been charged. So this is Terminal 1, left side, and Terminal 2, right side. Beautiful airport. You can see Koyasan, Namba, Wakayama. So even 10 days is not enough to tour entire Japan. So there is also direct train to Namba, Osaka to Namba, 45 minutes. So there are several options. So I took a different train from my hotel. So let me just have a glance on the trains from Kansai, because this is very useful information for the people. So there is one Nankai Osaka to Namba. Namba is close to Shinoka Osaka station. So from Namba you can go to Osaka, Umeda, Kobe, so Wakayama, Nara, Kyoto, all other places. And one more train you can see, Shinosaka. There are several Kansai Airport, Tennoji, Sabuchai, Shin, Imamiya. So this is a train which I came just now. So it will go via Shirahama and Hineno. So Hineno 4 carriages came to airport. So you can say enter Kyoto, Nara. So we can travel everywhere in the west. So this is Sanyo Shinkansen. So I didn't have time to use Sanyo Shinkansen. So yeah, I think it is Hiroshima line, if I'm not wrong. You can see the trains, Nankai line for Namba, Shin, Imamiya. So all those places. So So that is a line I have used. So I have to go terminal international. Straight is domestic. So I'll just check currency if I can get good rate. So I'll check for USD. USD is 152. Too much. I have changed 2,500 yen Japanese yen into USD, and I got 165 USD. So this is a bit expensive in airport, but I didn't have time, and I couldn't find any money for forex foreign exchange counters in Osaka. So that's why I had to do here. So I have kept only 1,000 yen for my dinner. So now I have to go to international. Left side, right side. Yeah, I will go this side. So you can see on the floor clearly written as international. That side is blue, is domestic. So there is no confusion in Japan. It is very well organized in Japan. So see the airport, looks beautiful. Terminal 1. So airport limousine is bus, airport bus, and there are also taxis. Excellent Nissan and Honda taxis. So they are very big. But I never took a taxi in Japan in 10 days because public transport is excellent. So it is connected everywhere. So even people coming to airport or coming from airport or going to airport, they never use taxis. I always see carrying big suitcases in public transport, in metros and other trains, but they never use taxis. So this is international terminal. So terminal 1 international. So first I will check in, then immediately security, immigration, then I will go and sit at the boarding gate. So then I can eat something there. So this is terminal 1, looking beautiful. See the height of the roof, see the architecture. So this is ultimate. Yeah, you can spend some time here, maybe 1 minute. You can see Kansai International Airport station, the JR station. So this is, we are entering into airport now, terminal. So international departure this side. So no confusion. See the airport. Awesome view. Excellent. See the escalators. They are very high. We have stairs with glass, and this is escalator. It's a big escalator. Beautiful view of Kansai International Airport in Osaka. Excellent. This is the other side of the view, or the airport. So we should always come early to the airport so that we can enjoy airport vibes. Airports like this, so we never get to see. My flight number is JL 792 at 22:10. That is 10:10 p.m. So it is going to Honolulu. So I have to check in C counter. C. This is the counter for D. So that is E for Jetstar. I think Jetstar is Australian. F. So mine is C. Japan Airlines. This is the first time I am flying in Japan Airlines. I am very much excited to fly new airlines. Always heard that ANA, All Nippon Airways, is number 1, and Japan Airlines is. One person told me that ANA is best, but let me see. Japan Airlines JAL is also excellent. It might be. So see the people. going to different countries. Looks like Chinese people. Going to China is Finnair, Japan Airlines. So I will try to do self check-in because I have only hand baggage and my ticket is also hand baggage. Excuse me.
Hi. Yes.
JL 792 please.
792.
Honolulu.
May I see your boarding pass?
Okay. No, I don't have boarding. Gate 28, final boarding. I am the last but one person, I think. So yeah. This is gate number 28. So I am very much excited to enter into Japan Airlines flight. Boeing 787. So I'm just entering 54E.
The boarding is here.
Okay. So this is business class, only 3 rows, so 8 seats each. So it is 24 seats. Mine is 54. I have to go a long way. 54. So I don't know why it is 54. Hopefully, flight looks excellent. This is awesome. These are toilets. So mine is 54. 54. 54 please.
54.
Yeah, 54E. 54, yeah.
What is the alphabet?
So this is the flight. Excellent flight. So this is my seat, 54E. So I have ordered for vegetarian meal. So this is excellent flight. Red color seats. Each row is 8 seats. Flight is about to depart. So it is going on runway. So next 7.5 hours. I love this map. So I enjoy this map for next 7.5 hours. Watching BBC News in the flight. So what else we can expect from Japan Airlines flight? So it is excellent. So I have started with apple juice. So I am waiting for my vegetarian lunch. So I continue listening BBC News. This is a veg meal I have pre-cooked. Let me see how it is. First time I have used chopsticks in my life. So this noodles okay. Looks like soba noodles, but couldn't complete them. So salad I can complete. This is bathroom in Japan Airlines flight Boeing 787. So decent size. See, toilet is decent, very decent, and we have Japanese flush and washing system. 45 minutes away from Honolulu. So now the time in Japan is 5 o'clock. They have given coffee, tea, and juices. Whoever, I had tea. I had coffee. So tea was green tea, so that's why I had coffee. So now everyone woke up. Just landed in Honolulu airport. So in Japan the time is 5:41. Here the time is 10:40 a.m. 6th of April. In Japan it is 7th of April. Waiting to get off from the flight. So I just landed. Waiting for the doors to open. So had a good flight for 7.5 hours, 7+ hours. So had a good vegetarian meal Japanese meal, but couldn't finish it. Thank you. Bathrooms, washrooms. People already gone from these places, these seats. So that girl was sitting beside me. She is doing masters in UPenn. UPenn is very prestigious university, like top. This is business class, so always front. I don't think this flight has any first class. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Yeah, thank you. Same to you. Bye. Our flight just landed 10 minutes back. This is Honolulu Airport. You can see Hawaiian Airline flight and Southwest, Japan Airlines. It's a very good flight.
Join us in keeping this airport a healthy place. Maintaining a comfortable distance from others can help stop the spread of germs. All terminals are smoke-free.
Yes.
Smoking is permitted at designated curbside areas only.
So you can see other flights, Delta. We have to take the bus to go to arrivals area, like immigration control. So this is Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. Bit tough to pronounce. So this is the airport area. You can see our flight, Qantas, Australian flight and Malaysian flight. You can see the skyline of Honolulu. This is the bus. We are going to arrivals area. We have just landed from this bus, and again that bus is going to arrivals area to pick up passengers. This is the flight information. Our flight JL 792 from Osaka is partnered with Hawaiian Airlines. So it landed, arrived already 30 minutes back. So this is departures. So this is the area which I came outside after immigration and customs. I came out of airport. I took a SIM for 1 month, Verizon SIM. So it is $85, including tax it is $90. So including tax. So this here I am waiting for the bus. So there is 1 hour 15 minutes journey from here to my Waikiki hostel, Waikiki beachside hostel. So this is Hawaii. So this is excellent temperature, 27 I think. So this is a bus stop, city bus stop. So I am waiting here. Bus is in next 15-20 minutes. Still waiting for the bus. Bus is expected within 4-5 minutes as per Google. So there is a boy from Canada, but is a French. So his mother and daughter from Sydney, Australia. So they are also coming for a visit. Finally, bus is here. So we are boarding the bus. It's very good. Bus number 20. So we are boarding now. So it will take 1 hour 15-20 minutes. So don't know. I have to pay by cash or card. I don't know. I will ask the driver. I will show the bus stop. This is inside the bus. The ticket is only $3. Bus they change. They will not give any change. So I have given $5 bill. So there is no change. So instead of $3, I had to pay $5. So it's fine because it is 1 hour 10 minutes. So with a taxi it will at least cost $60-70. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.